If you want to create a unique Instagram photo aesthetic on GoDaddy, this video is going to show you exactly how to do it using blend options in a simple beginner-friendly way. By the end, you'll know how to start a project, set up your base image, add an overlay, and apply blend modes that instantly give your post a more polished, creative, and eye-catching look. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, start a new project. On the GoDaddy editor screen, look to the right side and click the black New Project button. This is the starting point for building your design from scratch. Once you click it, you'll see a drop-down appear. From there, choose Transparent if you want to build your design on a blank canvas first, or choose Image if you want to upload your photo right away. Either option will launch you into the GoDaddy Content Creator Studio canvas. Now that you're inside the editor workspace, it's time to set up your base layer. Look at the left side vertical menu and click Image. This is where you can upload or select your main background photo. Pick the image you want to use for your Instagram aesthetic and place it onto the blank grid area. This background photo is the foundation of your design, so choose something that fits the mood you want, whether that's bright and airy, moody and dark, vintage, soft, or bold and colorful. Next, you need to add your overlay layer. Blending works best when you have a second layer sitting directly over your main image. To do that, go back to the left side menu and click Shape if you want to add a solid color block. Or click Image if you want to add a texture, like dust, grain, light leaks, or a film-style overlay. This is where the aesthetic magic starts to happen. If you want a soft editorial look, try a subtle color block. If you want a trendy Instagram vibe, try an abstract texture or grain effect. After adding the overlay, resize it so it fully covers your background photo. Drag the corners of the layer until it stretches across the entire image. Make sure it sits directly over the base photo, because the blend effect only works properly when the top layer is positioned on top of the layer you want to affect. If the overlay is too small or off to the side, the effect won't look seamless. Now it's time to open the blend options. Click on the overlay layer so it becomes highlighted on the canvas. This is important because the blend controls only appear for the selected layer. Then look over to the right-hand sidebar panel and scroll down until you see the blend option category. Click it to open the blend tool list. Inside that menu, you'll see different blend modes that can completely change the mood of your image. At first, the setting will usually be on normal. Go ahead and change that drop-down to a more aesthetic mode, like Overlay, Screen, or Multiply. Each one creates a different look. Overlay is great for boosting contrast and giving your photo a more dramatic pop. Screen can brighten things up and create a soft, dreamy feel. Multiply works really well when you want to darken the image and create a richer, moody tone. The best part is that you can experiment until you find the style that matches your Instagram feed. If the effect looks too strong, you can often make small adjustments by changing the opacity, switching the overlay type, or trying a different color or texture. This is where you can get creative and build a unique aesthetic that feels custom to your brand or personal style. A little testing goes a long way, and even small changes can make your final photo look much more professional. Once you're happy with the result, take a moment to compare it with your original image. You'll usually notice that the blend mode adds depth, mood, and personality without needing complicated editing skills. That's what makes this method so useful for Instagram posts, story graphics, cover images, and content branding. And that's it. You've now learned how to use Blend on GoDaddy to create a unique Instagram photo aesthetic from start to finish. You opened a project, added your base photo, placed an overlay layer, and applied a blend mode to transform the look of your design. If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.